Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon, and today on Partner Talks, we're going to have Tomas from Resco. Tomas, introduce yourself and tell the people who you are and what you do at Resco.
Hi, I'm Tomas Michalek, and this is my second year as the Resco CTO.
And you're the Chief Technology Officer. So let's talk a little bit about Resco and what is Resco, what do they do, and what kind of products do you build?
So Resco has quite a long history. It was founded in 1999, so it goes a long way. But for the past close to 15 years, we are mainly focusing on mobility solutions, helping frontline workers to reliably access their business data in the field. And we build a low-code, no-code platform that helps companies to digitize their complex processes.
And I know that, I've done a lot of work with Resco over the years, and I think their big claim to fame in Dynamics is they were the field service application for Microsoft CRM for quite a long time. And now you're busy building components, inspection tools, all other types of mobility products. But today we're going to focus in on Resco Next, your big conference that's happening this May in Valencia. Let's talk about that.
So it's taking place on the 20th and 21st of May, as you say, in Valencia in Spain. We have one day on 19th, pre-conference day, where we offer consultations, one-to-one consultations to our potential and existing clients and partners, where you can meet our Resco staff and get insights on how the Resco works, how it can help you build your digital business in field. And then we have 2 days of the conference. We will have, this is the 11th time, also it goes a long way in change over the time. Initially, we started this mainly focused on the developers as a developer conference, but it expanded over the years. And right now we have 33 speakers. We have tech and business sessions. We will have 26 sessions in total. And we'll have 9 Microsoft MVPs.
Absolutely. I think it's a fantastic conference, and I'll be participating in the pre-conference workshop as well for partners, the same as we did last year. So if you're a business applications partner, you really want to go to this conference because, first of all, it's a lot of fun. It's always in a great place. Resco does a fantastic job of putting on this event. But if you're involved at all in mobility solutions, especially advanced ones for large organizations, this is absolutely the conference, because this is where, the whole conference focuses on this subject. And you're going to hear from a lot of companies that have built these types of solutions, and a lot of partners that, are developing their tools and their platforms on Resco for Dynamics. So, Tomas, what are you going to be presenting there?
Oh, well, last year it was my first try. This year I hope it will be less stressful and I'm more excited. But I will follow up on my previous talk from last year about AI. I will take a look on how we are utilizing the current AI revolution, practical use cases, where it makes sense, where it doesn't make sense. And then I will try to have a take on the philosophy of how you should approach LLM at your companies, or at least how we are approaching the LLM revolution.
So let's talk a little bit about some of the other speakers and what they'll be presenting.
So you will hear from Matt Snecker about Power Automate integrations. Then from April Dunham, you will build with Copilot and using our Forms Plus solutions, some complex questionnaires for inspection scenarios. And then Vivian Ross will talk about Copilot, a lot of AI topics for Dynamics 365 sales. And from partners, for example, I will choose Janko Svetlik from Accenture, and he will guide you through building inspections on top of Dynamics 365 and Resco questionnaires.
Okay, excellent. So if you're an end user customer looking to build a mobility platform or improve your mobility platform, you need to go to Resco Next. If you're a partner and you want to understand this market and the opportunities, the many opportunities in this marketplace, I think you need to get to Resco Next. So Tomas, thank you very much for coming on this Partner Talks, and I look forward to catching up with you in Valencia, Spain.
It was an absolute pleasure, and see you there.
Bye for now.